Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to tell you how you can easily use the Apple Intelligence on your iPhone 17. Top 5 features. The first one, my favorite, is that when you go to the settings and here scroll down to the it was here in the camera control, you can find at the bottom of your screen launch visual intelligence, press and hold. If you enable it and hold this button over here to open this AI detector, you can just take a photo of every single thing that you just want. Let it be this SIM card ejector. Here you can just tap either search to search this picture on the internet or ask ChatGPT what that is. Let me just quickly ask ChatGPT. It will be working on that. Let's tap it again. Here, as I can see, this is SIM card ejector, so it works. Now, apart from this visual intelligence, we can go to the photos. Go, for example, to this one, tap these 3 lines, tap cleanup, mark this object, of course, after some time when the cleanup is prepared, and this will disappear. Here, let's brush this button. Here, as you can see, will disappear in a moment. The quality of it, of this, is rather. This is safety filter. I don't know why it's this. This is the safety filter. I didn't want the safety filter, but here, this is the feature that maybe quality is not good, as you can see, because I don't know why is this a safety filter, but this should work for us as a AI cleanup. This is the second thing that you should use. The next thing, which is within the Apple Intelligence, is when you open Notes, select some text with your finger, hold your finger on it, tap this Apple Intelligence icon. You can, as you can see, proofread the text, rewrite, use the friendly tone, professional, concise, summary, key points, list, table, generate every single thing that you just want. Compose even, and change the text. Let me, for example, tap proofread. No recommended changes. This was the third thing. The next thing is the Siri with the AI. The animation is like this. And now I can just, for example, when I disable it for a moment, I can speak, set me alarm for 2 p.m. Oh, maybe not actually, maybe 3 p.m. and it would work. Hey Siri, set me an alarm for 2 p.m. Or no, maybe for 3 p.m. As you can see, I don't know why I do the laundry, but it works. It's set to the 3 p.m. Apart from this, here, we do have something else, which is very, very nice. If we open, for example, messages, open some, as you can see, contact. Here, if we tap text message SMS, tap this emoji button and tap Genmoji, you can find here the Genmoji and you can generate your own emojis using the text over here. For example, man looking out of the window. And this button over here. Now I can choose a person from the image or select an emoji. Here, tap tick icon, and we can just generate for ourselves some emojis. We can use the suggestions, etc. And that's it. How it helps you, and goodbye.